Hello everyone, it's me Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope you all are fit and fine. I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Creator. So dear lovely friends, today I have come here at this moment. I would like to say something about importance of learning English. So let's get start this topic. English is one of the most important languages in the world. It is spoken by millions of people as their first or second language. Learning English can bring many benefits to our personal and professional lives. So dear friends, many examples like education and knowledge. Actually, education platform actually most important language in English. Education means you studying when you studying time, the time English is the most important, and today's day English is the most important because when I go to and when you go to another place like job and competitive exams, the time English is the most important. And another things, communication with the world. Actually, the time English is a global language. English is a global language. People from different countries use English to communicate with each other. And if you know English, you can talk to people from all over the world and make new friends and understand the new things and understand the different cultures. And another things, job opportunities, and many companies and many government sectors, many private companies who can speak English, who can speak English prefer employees who can speak English, and it is important it is important for jobs and business. Dear friends, not only jobs and business but also it is the most important technology and tourism field and in your career. So dear lovely friends, on the other hand, internet and internet and social media platform is the most important language. This is the English language because a large part of internet are in English. You can speak English and you can know English. Many internet platform like use apps and tools, internet tools, and very helpful that time who can speak English. And another things travel move easy. And dear brothers, when you go to another countries, like when you go to travel, the time communicate with others people, most helpful language for English language. Dear brothers, on the other hand, actually English language actually most important language today's day, and I think overall English language is a global language, is a overall English is a most important language every place, every situation and every moment. And dear friends, actually English when you other place, go to out of country, out of state, and official work and unofficial work. The time most famous language in the actually this language for English. So I think English is always important language, and so dear friends, uh, overall English is the most important language and helpful language